This video is for a 2003 Forest River Lexington 210. Just want to walk around the outside showing the condition of the unit. It's a nice little unit. It's got a little bit of sun fading on the outside. That's kind of normal. It is a 2003. The decals still look like they're in good shape. They do have some sun fading on them, so I want you to know that. The tires on this unit are in just great shape. Looks like very recently somebody's changed the tires. I don't know how many miles are on it. I can't tell how many miles, but looks like they put them on yesterday. It's got a little bit of storage on the outside. You come out here, the unit does have an outside awning on it. Does look like it needs to be replaced. It had a repair here. These are things I just want to point out, make sure that you know. It looks like a little bit of a repair here, nothing major. Do want to point it out. Walk around the outside, just in great shape. You come on the interior, this is where it just really stands out. This is a very clean little unit. 31,000 miles, so great mileage on a 2003. This dinette over here on the left side, that drops down into a bed. On the right side, you've got a jackknife sofa. That also drops down into a bed, so you can sleep, technically, 4 people in here. If you can fit, if you like each other a lot, but really this is a unit that's made for 2, maybe 3 people. Okay, got a TV over top, great oak cabinetry in this unit, lots of storage in the front. So lots of storage in this unit. No smoke odors, no pet odors. You know, there's no no odors. I mean, it doesn't have any musty smells or anything like that. So a very nice unit. Come over here, you've got a microwave, single stove. Got our 2-burner stove, single sink. Come over in here, you've got a shower, bathroom. Very nice, great setup. If you have any questions about this unit, please give me a call. My phone number is 888-310-7744. My email address is mike@gtwrv.com. And my website is www.gtwrv.com. Give me a buzz. Oh, my phone number is 888-310-7744. Give me a call.